What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your wallpaper for lock screen in Windows 11. So the first thing that you want to do is to right click on your desktop like so, and now you want to click on personalize. Also you can choose another path. You have to go to search bar, then you're gonna search for settings, you're gonna click on them, then you're gonna go to personalization tab. Now what you want to do is to scroll down till you see lock screen and you're gonna click on it. To change the background, all you have to do at personalize lock screen, you have to click on Windows Spotlight, and now you can change from either Windows Spotlight or picture or slideshow. If you choose picture, you can use a picture from your computer, or you can choose one that Windows gives to you. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.